Rating my fidget toys part 1. Mini glitter dumpling squishy. So shiny and pretty. 9 out of 10. Another dumpling squishy. Super soft and slow rising. 8 out of 10. Mini spinner toy. 4 out of 10. Stress ball squishy. Looks like frog eggs. 6 out of 10. Another fidget spinner. 5 out of 10. I don't know what to call this, but I made it myself. Very satisfying 11 out of 10. ASMR Pot, listen to this. Love the sounds, 10 out of 10. Bye-bye friends, remember to like and follow for part 2.